Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I will be unboxing Venusaur Generations Booster Box. Like I said in the Arceus unboxing video, I missed 3 of them, this being one of them. I will be unboxing Shaman and Manphy once I get a hold of the boxes, but I found this one today, so let's get into this one. Alright, so there is Venusaur, the little statue, and then there is the Venusaur card, promo card. There are 4 booster packs: Pikachu, Blastoise, Charizard, and Venusaur in the back. There's the back of the bust. There's Venusaur. Here's what is contained within the box. Train on. So yes, guys, let's get into it. Set that to the side. Let's get the booster or the promo card out. Okay, so that's the side. There is the promo card. Actually looks pretty cool. There is Scyther right there, and there's, was that Gloom? I think that's his name. Probably not, but yep, there's Venusaur. So that's the side. Now let's get into the bust or the little statue. There's a statue. There are his vines coming out. Looks like he's coming out of the forest or the grass, because he is a grass Pokemon after all. Alright, let's set that to the side. Now let's get into the booster packs. And here is, of course, the little poster right there. You guys know what it is. Set this to the side. Alright, here are the 4. Alright, we're going to do Venusaur last, since this is, after all, Venusaur unboxing. Alright, we'll do Pikachu first. If I can get into it. There we go. Alright, looks like we have a Caterpie, Doduo, Energy, Ghastly, looks like to be a reverse hollow Graveler, a Floette, Pinsir, Mesper, Maintenance, Metapod, and Caterpie. Alright, set that to the side. Now let's get into Blastoise. Jeez. Alright, there we go. Alright, looks like we have Krabby, Geodude, Fire Energy, Magikarp, a reverse hollow Cloyster, Dancy, there we go. Oh, look at that, a hollow background Butterfree, that's pretty cool. A Snorunt, that's okay, there that is. Pokeball, you need a few of those. Olympia, Krabby. Alright, let's set that to the side. Now let's get into Charizard. I must be really weak. Alright. Set that to the side. Psychic Energy. Diglett. Pikachu. Zubat. Looks like a reverse hollow Krabby. And we got a Slurp Puff. And there's our Dodrio. Looks like a regular rare. A Wobbuffet. Cloyster. Mr. Mime. There's a Psychic Energy. Let's set that to the side. Now let's get into the last one, Venusaur. Alright, guys. Jeez. Alright. Hopefully we'll get like an EX or something like that. Alright, there's a Doduo, Tangela, Ghastly, Psychic Energy, Reverse Hollow Rhyhorn. Oh, an EX, nice. Flareon. There they are. That's my favorite out of the original three. A regular rare Rapidash. Unless, yeah, regular rare. Chikorita. Red card. Revitalizer. Doduo. Oh, and there's that. Alright guys, thanks for watching my unboxing video. I will be unboxing, you know, the Shaman and Manphy as soon as I get a hold of them. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time for my other unboxing videos. Thanks.